In the world of horology, one timepiece effortlessly blends opulence with precision, the Rolex Day Date. With an iconic design that whispers sophistication, this watch stands as a testament to the Swiss brand's relentless pursuit of excellence. Unveiling the Rolex Day Date reveals the first glimpse of its pristine craftsmanship. Encased in 18-karat gold, the watch's case exudes an air of understated luxury. The intricate detailing on this timepiece, a testament to Rolex's commitment to detail, is nothing short of spectacular. Moving on, the dial catches the eye. Available in a range of colors, the dial features sleek hour markers made of precious stones, or traditional Roman or Arabic numerals, depending on the model. The Day Date's dial, a perfect blend of form and function, is a canvas that showcases Rolex's innovative spirit. The Day Date isn't all about looks, though. Inside this masterpiece ticks a self-winding mechanical movement, the caliber 3255. This state-of-the-art mechanism promises precision, longevity, and reliability, proving that the Day Date is more than just a pretty face. Perhaps the most iconic feature of this watch is its day and date function. The day display, presented in a full arc at the top of the dial, is a unique feature that sets this timepiece apart. The date window at 3 o'clock, magnified by the brand's signature Cyclops lens, ensures easy readability and adds a distinct charm to the watch's face. The Rolex Day Date comes with a President bracelet, another symbol of refined elegance. Crafted with the same material as the case, the bracelet complements the watch's overall aesthetic while providing comfortable wear. Finally, the Rolex Day Date boasts of impressive water resistance up to 100 meters, making it a practical choice for those seeking both luxury and functionality. In conclusion, the Rolex Day Date is a marvel of horological engineering. Its exquisite design, coupled with superior functionality, makes it a standout in the world of luxury watches. Its blend of tradition and innovation, attention to detail, and the iconic Day Date feature make it a timepiece worth owning. From the 18-karat gold case to the reliable caliber 3255 movement, every aspect of this watch exudes Rolex's commitment to excellence. In the realm of timepieces, the Rolex Day Date indeed reigns supreme.